Hello and welcome to Midtown Auto Center. My name is Brad and today you are in for a real treat. You're looking at a 2013 Hyundai Tucson Limited all-wheel drive. Clean Carfax, only one previous owner. It's got a 2.4 liter 16 valve 4-cylinder engine and it's got 16,000 original miles. It looks like it is brand new and part of that is because it only has 16,000 miles. Very, very, very clean. Has been fully serviced. Has passed all of its inspections. No dents, dings, rock chips, no blemishes. Still under factory warranty. Hyundai has one of the greatest warranties ever, along with Kia. So this is a great, wonderful vehicle to own. As you look down the byline, you see there's no dents, dings, scratches, or blemishes. No curbing on the rock, or no curbing on the rims. Tires have tons of tread. It's got the sky roof or panoramic sunroof. Tons and tons of sunroof there. Well equipped. It's got steering wheel audio controls, navigation, Bluetooth, XM, satellite radio. It's got heated seats for both the driver and the passenger. It has dual climate control for both the driver and the passenger. It has auxiliary ports, and it has the iPod USB port right there. And it also has hookups. I call them hookups, but 2 spots there for phone chargers. Here's the slot for your key, and it will actually charge the key, so your batteries don't go dead in the keys. Those can get kind of expensive. So Bluetooth does have home link. You can program up to 3 different garage doors. As I mentioned, the all-wheel drive. You see that there. Here at Midtown Auto Center. Our phone number is 513-420-0000. Our website address is mtacautos.com. Silver exterior, black interior, flawless inside and out. See, it's limited all-wheel drive. And oh, I forgot to mention, it does have the backup camera as well. It's got the privacy cover, also known as a privacy fence. And having that up when the door is closed, people won't be able to see what kind of valuable things that you may have on the inside. Here you got the all-weather mat as well, and then extra more storage, and your full-size, looks like full-size spare there as well. This is our 22nd year in business. We love to sell newer vehicles, especially low miles. That's our niche. Clean Carfax, just like this one. As I mentioned, they all get fully serviced, go through all their inspections. In 22 years in business, we sell this stuff. We sell a lot to people who are out of town, out of state, almost 40% now. So if this is something you're interested in, you live out of state, you can always give us a call. And you could fly into the Dayton International Airport, and one of our sales agents be happy to pick you up and bring you back to the dealership. Got the owner's manual and there as well. And floor mats. You can fly in, would pick you up, bring you back here. You can sign your paperwork and drive home from there. Or we can mail you the paperwork, sign it, have a notarized mail back. And if you don't want to fly in, you could always go to uship.com, uship.com, and put in our address, your address, and be able to find out what it would cost to have it transported to you as well. We have about 17 different lenders, so we have great rates and great options for term to help hopefully get you in the payment you're looking to be around. This is our, as I mentioned, our 22nd year in business, and we have over 160 Google reviews with over a 4.8 Google rating, which is one of the highest, if not the highest, in the state of Ohio. So this is something you're interested in, you can give us a call, 513-420-ALL-ZEROS, 2013 Hyundai Tucson Limited all-wheel drive, 100 clean Carfax, only 16,000 miles, 513-420-ALL-ZEROS, or you can click the link below this video to see more of our low mileage inventory, or go to our website at mtacautos.com. Thank you very much, and have a great and wonderful day.